Hi, it's Doug Fisher and Nancy Frey. We have been studying leader credibility. Yeah, we wrote about it and we're doing trainings about it, but we've been really learning about leader credibility for our own work. We studied business, government, healthcare, nonprofit, education. We started learning about what it takes to increase or reestablish the credibility that the people we work with find in us as their bosses or employers. We noticed that leader credibility has a pretty strong influence on people's sense of satisfaction of their work and their willingness to engage in that work and to feel good about the work they do. Leader credibility is probably one of the major impacts on whether or not you are able to create change in your organization. So what is leader credibility? What are the components of leader credibility? Nancy, help us out.
Well, that first is around trust. Probably comes as no surprise. People need to understand that you have their best interests at heart. That's that idea of benevolence. But also, too, it's being honest about what situations are and being open, being able to receive direction, feedback, and so on, and acting upon it when it's the time to do so.
The second area is around competence. Are we competent in our jobs as leaders? But the surprise in this research is that a lot of people judge our competence based on our communication. How effective or ineffective our communication is helps people think about, do I trust this leader? Do I believe I can learn from this leader?
That third element is around dynamism. And I think sometimes this is where we think first about a leader, their passion, their enthusiasm, their charisma. And what we've learned are some tips for how to be able to increase your dynamism in your leadership.
And if you thought that was a hard word, try about immediacy. So dynamism and immediacy. Immediacy is this relatedness, this connection that we have with other people. Being relatable, being accessible. All that's an important thing that we think about in terms of leader credibility. Am I connected with my leader? Do I feel an affiliation with that leader?
And that last element, that fifth element, that's really the big difference between teacher credibility and leader credibility. That ability to be able to engage in forward thinking, not only to be able to anticipate what it is that might be coming down the road, but to really embed yourself in what it is that is happening so that you are informed about the profession. And here's the big surprise that we learned about forward thinking. It's being able to maintain a sense of optimism, even when there is challenge. Yes, we can do this, and convey it to others as well. If you'd like to know more about leader credibility, we have lots of different ways to be able to do so. But join us in that journey in building your leadership credibility and building your effectiveness at leading.